Hi, this is Nate over at Easy HOA. We're excited to show you this new feature that we just pushed live. This will show anytime you're composing like an email or maybe a template, but we've added some more tools for editing your text. But the coolest thing we added here was this AI feature. So this could help save time for the HOA. This can help also generate and write letters. So for example, if we're the HOA, we could say something like, um, write a letter to the HOA members reminding them to um, put their trash cans away. And of course, you can go into more detail. This is just to show you how this works. So you put in the prompt, you hit submit, and then it says something like this: attention all residents. And then it kind of creates a little letter. Now there's even more features than this. What you can do is you can highlight this, and then there's this little magic wand, and you can do some things like change the tone, change the style. You can translate it into a different language, but you probably won't need to do that. But say we want to be more professional, we can do that, and that changes. The other thing we can do, I noticed, is you can expand. So we can maybe say we want some more verbiage. So here we've got just way more content about how keeping the community clean is a responsibility, and just on and on and on. So a lot of cool features you can use here that can help you with communicating to your HOA and doing it in a professional manner. And hope this helps. All right, thanks.